welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. And again, this is Lorie. Today, guys, it's a beautiful weather. It's a beautiful day today here in the Philippines, and it's Sunday. So we are going to church later after we finish this video. Anyway, today we will be doing another street interview, guys. We will be interviewing beautiful Filipinas from the province of Tigaon, Camarines, or Bicol, Philippines. So we will be asking them, guys, if do they think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners? So we are going to find out, guys. So come on, what's your name?
Maria Emanuel.
Maria? Maria. Wow, beautiful name. Nice to meet you. So Maria, are you single?
Yes.
You do. Wow. Okay, since when? Like 2 years from?
Since birth.
For real? Wow. Okay. So,
So, baka pwede mahanapan din doon ako, Charis.
she's looking for. Okay. No. How old are you?
22.
22. Okay. So, Marie, are you studying?
Review.
Review. Oh, you're done. You're done studying. What course? What course?
Education.
Education. Major in
Study.
elementary. So, here's the question: do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners?
Para sa akin, oo. Kasi kadalasan ngayon na magkakarelasyon, mas alimbawa,
Partner nila.
yung partner is parang 5 above ang age gap. Kaya medyo, dahil sa gap, parang na-spoiled yung partner nila.
So for her, yes, because mostly nowadays, their partners are older than the Filipinas. So for her, she think that these younger Filipinas are spoiled. That's why she considered them as immature. What's your name?
Camille po.
Camille. Nice to meet you. Okay, Camille. Okay, are you single or taken?
Taken.
She's taken. She's very tall, guys. How tall are you?
5'6".
5'6". Wow. Okay, so Camille, here's the question. Do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners?
Hindi, kasi yung parang, ayun,
No, because
kasi, na ako.
okay lang. She's shy now. Okay, no, because
Kasi parang para sa akin, hindi na ma-immature yun kasi, yung parang nagbubuo nga kayo ng relationship na parang kayong dalawa na parang, siyempre pinag-usapan nyo na yung parang, yung adjustment, yung ganon. Tsaka, kasi pag sa iba kasi, kunyari kunyari may nakasama kang, parang may nakita kang magjowa na ganon, tapos sabihin mo, ba't ganon, yung parang,
mas bata.
yung parang yung iisipin nila na, parang lang, yung parang,
Immature siya. Okay. So what Camille said, let's make it short like this. So if the two person is in a relationship, like they're already matured for you, right? Of course they're not going to enter a relationship if they're immature, right? Okay, so now she said that for some people they could probably say that, oh, look at these young Filipina, oh, look at her like that, she's young, so she probably might be, she might be immature, but for her, no. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so in other words, her answer is no. Not all younger Filipinas having old partner, or for their partner they are not immature. What's your name?
Claire po.
Claire. Nice to meet you, Claire. And how old are you, Claire?
I'm 23 years
23. And are you single or taken?
single.
You're just single. Are you studying right now?
Yes, I'm third year college from Shepherdville.
Shepherd. Okay, what course are you taking?
Bachelor of Elementary Education.
So she's gonna be a teacher. Wow. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. So another year, right? And then you will graduate. Wow. So I'm so happy for you. So here's Claire. Here's the question. Do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners? Yes or no?
No,
No. Why?
because very tagal.
Yeah.
Kasi po kapag mahal, mas maganda rin para sa akin po. Mas maganda kasi ako po kasi hilig ko sa mas maganda po yung mas mature sa'kin yung lalaki kaysa ako yung mature. Kasi kapag mature sa'yo yung lalaki, yun yung maga-guide sa'yo. At saka ang ano kasi kapag matanda yung babae parang ang pangit tingnan na sunod-sunuran yung lalaki sa babae.
So what Claire said is no. Okay, having an older partner doesn't mean younger Filipinas are too immature, because for her, she doesn't consider herself as immature because she prefer having a matured boyfriend, right? Partner. So it doesn't make her a immature, person like that. And then Claire mentioned too that it doesn't look good that the woman is the matured one, like seeing the man following the woman, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
Jaira po.
Jaira, nice to meet you. How old are you, Jaira?
18 po.
18. Okay. And you are?
Eliza.
Eliza, nice to meet you. How old are you?
20.
20. So, um, they're together, guys. Love wins. Okay, so this question is actually not like perfect perfect for them, but it's because Eliza, right, is a little older than her. So now let's start with you. What's the question? Do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners? Yes or no?
No.
No, why?
Kasi po wala naman po sa edad yung basehan po na pagiging mature.
I love that answer. So she said it's age is not the basis for being immature or not. I love that answer. Thank you. Okay, so how about you? Do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partner?
Hindi po.
No.
Kasi sabi nga niya, wala naman sa edad yung basihan para masabing immature yung isang tao. Kasi when it comes to lalo na sa pagdidesisyon, kahit sabihin nating mas bata yung partner mo,
They could also make their own decisions, like
yes.
matured partner, right?
Mm.
Individual like that.
So yun nga, siguro nasa sa ibang tao na naman yun kung gusto nila yung isipin, gano'n. Pero para sa akin, kahit anong edad pa, kahit anong edad pa nung magiging partner ko, hindi ko pa rin i-judge yung pagiging niya,
Immature or what?
immature or what. Kasi siyempre, mahal ko. Kung mahal ko, tanggap ko.
Okay, so what she said is that her answer is no, not younger Filipinas, or not just Filipinas, but younger people who has older partners. She won't consider them as immature, because just like what she said, it's not all about ages. You can't say, oh, she's young, she's immature, right? And then she also added that when it comes to decision making, sometimes younger individual or younger partner, or they could also be matured, right? And then she is not going to judge her like that, right? If she's immature or what. And what else did you say? That's it, right?
That's so far.
So what's your name?
Mary Antoinette.
Mary Antoinette, nice to meet you, Mary Antoinette. Are you single?
Mm,
She was thinking whether she's going to say yes or no. Yeah, she's taken, guys, some boyfriend, right?
live in.
Oh, so she has a live-in partner. You're studying, right? What course are you taking?
Midwife.
Midwifery. So you will help a lot of what do you call pregnant women to give birth, right, in the future. Well, good luck and congratulations. You're welcome. So Antoinette, here's the question: do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners?
Maybe.
Why?
Kasi pag wala pa silang partner, parang iisipin natin, ano pa sila mag-isip, matured. Immature pa lang. Tapos pag may partner na nakikita nating may partner na tapos bata pa ang babae, kunwari bata pa ang babae tapos lalaki ang mas matanda,
mas magiging matured na ang babae
Dahil dun sa partner.
dahil sa kanilang partner. Maiimpluwensyahan ang babaeng
Yung jowa niya.
yeah.
So what Antoinette said was maybe because let's say the younger Filipina, she doesn't have experience yet, right? So she could say that she probably immature, but when she's in a relationship already with an older guy, the Filipina might be matured, you know, because the partner, he's gonna influence her like that. So well, thank you. Thank you so much for that answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so here, what's your name?
Annalisa.
Annalisa. Nice to meet you, Annalisa. Okay, Annalisa, are you single?
Yes po.
You do. Okay, how old are you?
24.
24. Wow. Okay, and you're classmate with Antoinette, right? Midwifery as well. Okay. So here's the question. Do you think younger Filipinas are too immature for their older partners? Yes or no?
Maybe din po kasi gaya ng sinabi niya, iba pang immature na itong mag-isip hanggat itong mahayos silang na kakarelasyon na matured sa inda. Oo.
Oh.
Ako kasi po, nasabihin ko talaga,
Don't cry. we're not here to. Okay.
nakaraan ko, ang naging ko kaya, relasyon ko is, bata sa kuya. Ako ang,
Oh.
matuang.
Mhm.
Tapos, siyempre, aki tudoy, ang isip ko tudoy,
Matured.
matured pa. Di ako, naman, siyempre, ako so, matuwa sayang.
So what happened?
Itong, masakitong siyang atong pa, sunodun ba sa itong, di siyempre, di kami naghalo yan.
Oh.
Hanggang sa itong,
Nag-break kayo.
pero may aki kami.
Oh, that's very sad.
Tapos,
Okay.
nangyari to sa muya, di siyempre, makulog man sa part mo, ta siyempre, may aki ka mo, tapos so aki mo, madakula, ka mo. Di ko niya, nag-isip na lang ko na tong, ipadagos ko na ang pagkasi ko, para sa muyan doon
Para
mag-ano.
sa baby mo tsaka. Okay, that was very heartwarming, story. Like, I love that story. I'm so proud of you. So Annalisa here, she is a single mother, and then she said maybe some younger Filipinas are considered too immature for their older partner because based on her experience. Okay, just like what Antoinette said, she said that the younger Filipino or Filipino, they could be matured in the future. The matured one could influence the immature one. And just like her story, she said that she had a relationship before, and then her partner is actually younger than her, and then it's very hard to communicate, like it's not easy to be with someone that is immature, so they broke up. Okay, but the good news is they had a baby. It's a blessing, right?
Oo.
Yes, babies are always a blessing. So now she's fixing herself. She go back to school. She's studying right now. Okay. What year are you now? In college.
First year po.
First year college. Wow. That's 4 years, right?
No,
2 Oh, midwifery is only 2 years? Oh my god. Oh my god, I would like Wow, okay, well congratulations. Another year, right? Okay. Well, yeah. God bless you and your baby. I'm proud of her. You're strong. You must be very strong. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for having this interview.